Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make shrimp po' boys. This is how I make them. Okay. All right. So what you're gonna need: some shrimp, whatever size shrimp you want. I use this Cajun fish fry, mayo, shredded lettuce, sub rolls, and tomatoes. You could also use a remoulade sauce. Up to you. Now, I'm using Hellmann's. I do have Dukes, but I just decided to use the Hellmann's. I know y'all probably like, what? No Dukes? But I just take the shrimp, and I only made a few of these because only me and Amaya ate them. Oh, Junior had one as well, so I only made maybe 3, maybe 2, something like that. I don't remember. I might have made 3. But anyway, and like I said before, I use this size shrimp because I feel like they fit in the roll better. So you're just going to fry up your shrimp. I'm using peanut oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you like. It's totally up to you. But these aren't going to take long to fry at all. Do not go too far away because you do not want to overcook your shrimp. And with that Cajun batter, you don't really need to add anything, but especially do not add any salt. You do not need to add any salt on this shrimp if you're going to use that one, that particular. You can make up your own. You can buy a different, whatever you like to use, you do that, okay? That's just the one that I use. This is just the way that I make my shrimp po' boys. You make yours your way, I'm gonna make mine my way, okay? Okay. And like I said, you can use a remoulade sauce. I really don't like that on mine. I'd rather just a little mayo and keep it simple. But yeah, so you're just gonna fry these up and let them go. I just cooked them until they were done and I pulled them out. All right, so you're gonna take your sub roll. You're gonna add some mayo. And you add as much mayo as you want. I like to add mayo on both sides of the bread. Some people don't do that, but you do it how you like it. You might not even like mayo. You know, you don't have to put mayo because I'm using mayo, you know. Don't not make the sandwich because you don't like mayonnaise, you know. You do it the way you like it. It don't have to be the way somebody else likes it, you know. There's no one way to do it. But yeah. So you're going to pile that. See how that shrimp sits into that roll batter? I say that as one falls off. But yeah, the shrimp just sits much better in the sub roll, in my opinion, than the bigger shrimp. Okay, so now I'm going to add the tomato. You don't have to add tomato if you don't like, of course. It's all about what you like. And you can sprinkle a little salt and pepper on those tomatoes if you want. But I didn't do that. So we're going to cut it in half. I just want you to see the inside of it, to see what it looks like. And there we go. Po' boy, shrimp po' boy. And also I paired it with some French fries. So here we go. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time.